All right, y'all. Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Thursday, June 11th. And yeah, see by the title, yes, I caught another dub. Caught another dub today. My third winning day. I need two more winning days for this payout across five accounts. As y'all see, here's the proof. Made about 907 today times five. So about like, I'm not good at math. What was that? 4,500, I think? 4,500? Something like that. But yeah, a good trade today. I called this shit to a literal T. Literal T. Like, I was obviously bullish bias. You'll see the long right here. This shit was so obvious. And I was gonna hold, as y'all see, London just get booked. I was thinking about holding to that, but after y'all seen yesterday, the great edge yesterday, I just took my profits, bro. I was not gonna hold all the way up here. It would have been a 1 to 3.57 risk to reward, but I'm like, fuck that. After I got edge yesterday, I'm just gonna take my profits, and that's exactly what I did. I just went TP at the equilibrium, easy. One candle, two candles, TP. But let me go and show you why I was bullish today, right? So let me go and get into it. So today, as you'll see, overnight we came down yesterday, swept this 4 hour low, right? Swept this 4 hour low, created SMT, and then we started pushing up overnight during Asia. So I'm like, okay, this could be a continuation, right? When I woke up this morning, we were right here at the 50% mark, right, of the equilibrium, 50% mark. So I'm like, okay, we could either a when we tap that, keep going down, take out Asia and disregard the SMT, or B, we did have London high, previous day high. We can hold this 15-minute and then go up higher, and that's exactly what happened. So that's what I was leaning towards. Yeah, we're inside this 15-minute gap right here. We pushed up, came down below the equilibrium range, boom, and then at market open, I literally said I want to see this swing low get taken. This one right here, this swing low. I was like, I want to see this swing low get taken before we push up higher, right? And that is literally exactly what happened to a fucking T. I called it literally. Market open, we're just chopping around. Even this displacement short right here, it was a clean inversion, but I'm like, I'm not taking it. I want to see what we do first after we take out the swing low. And then if we end up keep pushing lower, then maybe I can look for shorts. But after we took the swing low on ES, we created SMT. Literally right after that. Perfect entry. 1 minute inversion right here. SMT, right? Inversion. Clean, right? Same model every time, guys. Same model. Break even, swing high, right? And then boom, ride it out to right here, equilibrium. It's literally that fucking simple, guys. That simple. Just come in with a plan, come in with a draw, you feel me? And just take the entry. It's literally that simple. Follow your rules, follow your plan. It's that simple. You got to come in with a plan. You got to come in with a draw. If there's no draw on where you're taking the trade at, that shit is cooked. So you got to have a draw every time you take a trade. But yeah, guys, this shit was a good ass trade. You know, for me, easy, easy peasy. I think I'm like on a 3 trade win streak, 4 trade win streak, or three. My bad, three. But yeah, guys, like y'all literally seen. Literally last week, I had no like evals were in the gutter. Literally had evals in the gutter that are about to be blown, and now I'm 2 days away from getting a payout. 2 days. That's how fast that shit can switch like that. If you just lock in on your rules. And the only change I made was I lock in on my rules. I realized that the trades I was taking when I was losing, I was literally not following my rules. Yeah, PA was kind of iffy, but it also goes back to me. I'm the one pressing the button, and I wasn't following my rules, right? No draw. I was taking trades, just bullshit trades, right? I was taking bullshit trades, and I realized, listen, I'm not following my rules. Let me self-reflect. Let me see what I'm doing wrong, and let me go back to the game plan that actually got me that payout back in April. And that's the only change I made from last week to this week. Like, that's it. I was down on evals, brought those back, passed them. It was down on my XFAs too. It was down a band 1%. If y'all see my TikTok, I've seen I was down 1% literally on Monday. And now, guys, in 3 trades, I've literally wiped out all those losses. Plus, I'm about to be at the buffer already. 2 more days, I might get a payout too. Like, guys, it's really that simple. If you just lock in on your rules, on your checklist, just lock in and take a trade, bro. It's literally that simple. But yeah, I mean, going back to the trade I took today, I did want, like I said, I want to hold till London, but if y'all watched my video yesterday, bro, I got edged by 6 points, and that would have been my biggest trade ever. I was going to hold, but I ain't gonna lie, I was traumatized. I had PTSD. I didn't want to, so I'm like, I'm gonna take it at the swing high, get my profits, and get out. So yeah, that's what happened. And right now, we just took out London, so we could honestly either keep pushing up or chop around here. I don't know what we're gonna do because we are respecting higher time frame gaps, so we could just chop around here until tomorrow. But yeah, guys, good trade, great trade today. Yeah, I got nothing bad to say about this trade. This is literally probably A plus, especially like I consider A plus the way I just called it out to a T. But yeah, I don't want to say I'm the market maker or anything, but you feel me? It was a good ass trade. You feel me? I might be an insider trader. You feel me? But nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. I mean, simple, short video, simple. 2 more days to a payout. I appreciate every one of y'all that's been showing love, liking my videos. Like following me on TikTok. I'm almost at 200 followers, so make sure I go tap in with that. At Tone Trades, and yeah, I'll be back at y'all whenever I post another trade recap. Hopefully, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna be a little iffy because you feel me. I'm up big this week on my XFA. So if there's nothing like really presentable like A plus, I probably won't take tomorrow. So I could be back with another video tomorrow. I could not. It just depends how PA is looking. And but yeah, that's pretty much all I got. I guess I'll see you on the next video.